New profile picture on tweets. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add new profile picture on tweets. First thing, go to your tweets and go to your profile. Then all you need to do is click on edit profile, and then you will find this icon. Tap on it and you will find here new profile picture. All you need to do is click on new profile picture and you can import it from your Instagram. Tap on it and here you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. This is it guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you on my next video.